As the coronavirus continues to spread across the world, scenes of people trying desperately to avoid touching public surfaces such as doors and handrails is now commonplace. In this video, we're going to look at how long coronavirus can survive in the air and on surfaces, as well as some simple ways of killing it and protecting yourselves and others. Welcome to another video from One Good Learn, the channel helping you learn more about the world around you. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. And if you enjoy this video, hit the like button and share it with others so they can keep informed too. Like many respiratory viruses, such as the common cold and flu, the coronavirus can be spread by tiny droplets released from the nose and mouth of an infected person as they sneeze or cough. The World Health Organization say this is the main way coronavirus is spread. A single cough can produce up to 3,000 droplets, which can remain airborne or land on other people, clothing, or surfaces that are close by. It was recently discovered parts of the virus that cause COVID-19 were detected on the Diamond Princess cruise ship a whole 17 days after it had been evacuated. This has raised some anxiety about how long the coronavirus can survive for and how careful we need to be when touching so-called high-contact surfaces in public spaces. Could you become infected from touching a handrail on a train or a shopping basket handle that an infected person touched yesterday, or even as much as 2 weeks ago? Well, first of all, it needs to be said that experts have pointed out that what was detected on the Diamond Princess cruise ship was in fact a genetic material called RNA, rather than the whole functional coronavirus. And there is currently no evidence that these types of genetic traces can cause infection, and therefore, had passengers gone back onto the cruise ship, it is highly unlikely that they would have become infected with coronavirus. However, this still raises the question, how long does coronavirus survive for? This was answered by a recent study published in the New England Journal of Medicine, which investigated how long the functional infectious virus could survive in 5 conditions: in aerosols, i.e. in the air, as well as on plastic, stainless steel, cardboard, and copper. The results of this study showed that the coronavirus can survive in droplets from a cough or sneeze for up to 3 hours, up to 4 hours on copper, up to 24 hours on cardboard, up to 48 hours on stainless steel, and up to 72 hours on plastic. An important thing to note from this research is that the infectiousness of the virus decreased over time. For example, only 0.1% of the virus was detectable on plastic after 72 hours, making it very unlikely to be able to infect someone. This is an important piece of research as it shows that the virus can still be infectious whilst in the air and present on many commonplace surfaces used in home and public life. So, how can you protect yourself? This piece of research basically supports current guidance from public health professionals across the world. Regularly clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces using a household cleaner. Research shows that coronaviruses can be inactivated in under a minute by disinfecting surfaces with the following: 62 to 71% alcohol, 0.5% hydrogen peroxide bleach, or household bleach containing 0.1% sodium hypochlorite. See the link in the description for a list produced by the US Environmental Protection Agency of disinfectants and active ingredients that can be used to kill COVID-19. It is also important to wash your hands regularly for at least 20 seconds with soap. This is especially important after being in public areas such as shops, for example where you may have touched door handles or handrails, which many others have also recently touched. Hand washing with soap is very effective as it disables the oily surface coat of the virus, which means it cannot infect a host cell. For more tips on how to protect yourself and others against coronavirus, click on the link at the top of the screen now. So that's the end of today's video. If you found it useful, hit the like button and share it with others so they can stay informed too. Also, remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos, because after all, one good learn deserves another. See you next time.